What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Tonight I'm going to open a box of 17-18 status basketball. Just 10 packs in the box, so it'll be kind of a short break. There is just one autograph. I've had a little bit of luck with this. Pretty good at pulling some of the better rookie parallels. My autographs have just been meh. But, I mean, they've been decent. They haven't been, like, terrible. Would love to pull... Actually, you know what? I think Gosh, I've opened so much. I think I might have pulled a Porzingis out of this. Gosh, I can't remember. I've opened so much stuff. Alright, Holiday. Dragic. Parsons. Rookie credentials. Josh Jackson. Factions, Lakers, Rob, rookie. Looks like we have something there. Let's set that aside in case that's my auto. I don't want to bust that out of pack number 2. Although it could be a parallel or something else. Dadgummit, it's like that too. I forgot this was like that. Where they turn other cards around backwards too. Redick, Gasol, Clyde Leonard, Morris. Here is a Dragic parallel to 93. And Alwundu rookie. Sarge. Brook Lopez, DeMarcus Cousins, John Collins, rookie credentials. Here is a numbered Drew Holiday, blue, I guess, to 199, and John Collins, rookie. Ingram, Bradley, Rondo, Havlicek. Status quo. Wizards, factions, and Devon Reed. So no luck with any of the top rookies yet. Every rookie card's just been kind of okay. Adams, Antetokounmpo, Wall, Zach Collins, Pistons, factions, and Mike James. Thick pack. I don't think you get a jersey card in here. Might be a filler. Teague, Levine, Drummond, Wiggins, Westbrook symbols, TJ Leaf, rookie. Beal, Carmelo Anthony, Seth Curry, Dwayne Bacon, rookie credentials. Here's a Devin Booker die cut. I don't think I've pulled one of these yet. It's funny. Oh, well, there's a Teodosic rookie, but I don't recall pulling one of these, and it's not numbered. You would think it would be. Interesting. Alright, let's see what's in this fat pack, and then we'll look at the stack I opened earlier. Yeah, it's just a filler. Whiteside, Isaiah Thomas, Jokic, Randall. Oh wow, Steph Curry parallel to 299, so that's nice. And then the rookie was Justin Patton. Alright, I think it was okay. Parker, Love, Lillard, Derek White, Klay Thompson. That is a Symbols blue parallel to 199. And a Frank Mason the third. So this should be the autograph because this is the last pack. And we have, drumroll please, Marquez Chris for the Suns. Then a Porzingis symbols and DJ Wilson. I definitely am not happy about the rookies I pulled out of this. I didn't get any of what you'd call the like top, well, I guess none of the top 5. Of course, you never know what these guys are going to do. Some of these other ones that were in here could end up being studs for all we know, but that's it. That's my auto, that's my box. That's the end of this video. Everybody take care.